If you have a private hospital plan in Singapore or you're planning to buy one, MOH has changed the entire hospitalization riders landscape in Singapore. From 1st April 2026, almost all the current riders that are sold by insurers in Singapore will stop selling. Does this mean that my rider will be cancelled? Or do I need to rush and buy before April 2026? A rider is optional. It sits on top of your base hospital plan or your IPs. Imagine going to McDonald's and you want to order a Big Mac. In other words, the rider is the top up to turn your a la carte burger into a meal. And different insurance companies offer different meals. And one thing to remember is riders are always paid in cash, not your MediSave. And so the original intent of the riders is to limit how much cash you have to take out from your own pocket when something big happens. But on average, most people are not hospitalized very often. Yet riders tends to be expensive and they are paid every single year. So in 26 November 2025, MOH announced these new requirements for IP riders, specifically for private plans. First, new riders cannot cover the minimum deductibles. Number two, the minimum co-payment cap actually increases. The intention is not to remove protection, but from MOH point of view, is to restore the cost awareness as well as the sustainability to pay your riders for the individuals. Recent news actually talk about how almost all the current riders that will be stopped being sold from 1st April 2026. Because out of so many of these riders outside, only a very small number actually meets the requirement. And in that news, they stated that most insurers will replace the entire riders lineup. So for now, just need to wait for the new riders to be released, understand what's the trade-off, and also find out for yourself what can you do with this cost savings. Education is critical. Without understanding, people will go into confusion, panic, overbuying, and even cancelling wrongly. No one, not even insurance company, your financial advisors, or your parents, can force you to keep paying for something that is not sustainable for you.